Lisa had tried everything, cutting carbs, skipping dinners, forcing herself to eat salads she didn't even like. Yet, every time she looked in the mirror, she felt the same. Tired, heavy, bloated, like her body was begging for something different. Then one night, while scrolling online, she came across the Smoothie Diet. The promise sounded simple. 21 days, smoothies instead of a few meals. A structured plan designed to help you reset your body from the inside out. At first, she rolled her eyes. Another diet trend, she thought. But something about the real stories, the results, and how doable it looked, no powders, no complicated ingredients, made her pause. So, she gave it a try. The next morning, blender in hand, she made her first smoothie. It took less than 5 minutes. It wasn't just delicious. It felt clean, light. For once, breakfast didn't weigh her down. Days went by. Her energy started shifting. The mid-afternoon crashes were gone. Her skin looked clearer. She stopped craving sugar all the time. The plan was easy to follow because everything, from recipes to shopping lists, was already laid out. There were even guides for ingredient swaps, so she never felt stuck. Of course, there were hard days. Blenders that refused to cooperate. Cravings that tested her resolve. But the program's structure and the thought of feeling better kept her going. By the end of week 3, the changes were undeniable. She had lost weight, yes, but more importantly, she had gained back her confidence. She no longer dreaded mealtimes. Food stopped being a source of guilt and became fuel again. That's the thing about the smoothie diet. It isn't just a diet. It's a gentle reset, a reminder that our bodies can feel light, energized, and strong again when we give them the right fuel. It's not about punishment or perfection. It's about progress. She loved that the program included a 3-day detox to start, step-by-step weekly guides, and a plan for life after the 21 days. It wasn't something that left her lost when it ended. It taught her how to sustain her results. And with the 60-day money-back guarantee, it had felt like a safe leap to take. Now, when people ask her how she found her glow again, she smiles and says, "It started with a smoothie." If Lisa's story feels a little like yours, if you've been searching for something gentle yet effective, maybe this is your sign to begin. You can check out the Smoothie Diet today using the link below. Take that first step. Give your body a chance to feel amazing again, and remember, small choices can create the biggest changes. Because sometimes transformation doesn't start in a gym or on a scale. Sometimes it starts with a blender, a handful of fresh ingredients, and the courage to start over.